Imagine you could send digital cash, anonymously, instantly, and without breaking the bank on fees. Sounds like a crypto dream, right? But what if I told you it exists, and it's powered by something called the Beam Wallet token? Now, the big question, the one you're probably here for, how much is that token worth? But before we dive headfirst into the price charts and market caps, let's back up a bit. We need to understand why this token even exists and what it does. Beam, at its core, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital cash designed for confidentiality. It uses something called Mimblewimble, a fascinating technology that allows for private transactions. This means your transaction amounts and wallet addresses are hidden from prying eyes. In a world increasingly concerned about data privacy, that's a pretty big deal. Now, the Beam Wallet token, often simply referred to as Beam, is the lifeblood of this ecosystem. It's what powers the network, facilitates those private transactions, and incentivizes miners to keep the blockchain running smoothly. Like any cryptocurrency, its price is subject to the forces of supply and demand, speculation, and the overall market sentiment. So, how much is it actually worth? Well, that's where things get interesting and a little bit dynamic. The price of Beam, like any other cryptocurrency, is constantly fluctuating. You can check the current price on various cryptocurrency exchanges and tracking websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. These platforms provide real-time data, allowing you to see the latest price, trading volume, and market capitalization. But simply looking at the price isn't enough. We need to consider a few other factors. What's the trading volume like? High volume often indicates strong interest and liquidity. What about the market cap? This tells us the total value of all Beam tokens in circulation. And what about the project's development? Are there any upcoming updates or partnerships that could impact the price? You see, the price of Beam is more than just a number. It's a reflection of the market's perception of the project's potential. Is privacy a growing concern? Is the technology behind Beam gaining traction? Are there any regulatory changes that could affect privacy coins? All of these factors play a role in determining the price. And let's not forget the volatility of the crypto market. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours, let alone days or weeks. So, while it's important to stay informed about the current price, it's equally important to understand the risks involved. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative, and you should always do your own research before making any decisions. Remember, the price you see today might be completely different tomorrow. The crypto market is a roller coaster, and Beam is no exception. So, instead of focusing solely on the price, consider the underlying technology, the project's roadmap, and the team behind it. These factors will give you a better understanding of the token's long-term potential. Keep an eye on news and announcements related to Beam. Follow the project's official channels and engage with the community. This will help you stay informed about any developments that could impact the price. And always remember to diversify your investments and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of crypto is full of opportunities, but it also comes with significant risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.